Hello guys, my name is Dima and today with this video I'm going to start my YouTube channel on the topic of investing in stocks using the REVOLUT app. I think that many people are interested in this area and I decided that I should share my experience, although it is extremely small for only a couple of months. I hope that this trend will continue and my investments will grow over the next 10 years. If you have any interest in watching my way to financial independence, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's start talking about top 5 stocks to buy in May 2020 right away. A small disclaimer before I start, I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I'm just a student who wants to apply and test his knowledge about the financial market by investing my personal monthly savings and maybe achieve the financial independence. Today, I'm gonna share with you my top 5 stocks that I believe will grow in the nearest future, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna add some of these stocks to my small portfolio. I think that it doesn't matter if you want to invest $100, $1,000 or $100,000. You just need to start doing something. And in my opinion, these 5 companies are going to grow pretty good in the next couple of years. My first stock for today's video is CocaCola. Everybody knows this company, and I'm not gonna spend a lot of time speaking about how amazing it is. Coca-Cola is a dividend aristocrat and has been paying dividends to its shareholders for 57 years. The current dividend yield is 3.6%, and it's been growing since the past decades. The 19 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Coca-Cola have a median target of $52 per share, with a high estimate of $57 and a low estimate of $46. The median estimate represents a 14% increase from the last price. This means if you invest $100 now, your current investment will be worth $140 in May 2021. Coca-Cola stock is suited as a new addition to your portfolio. The second stock I want to talk about is Tesla. Many analysts compare Tesla stock to Bitcoin because it just exploded. At this moment, the price of Tesla stock is $702 per share, and the asset price has been in uptrend for the past 1 year. Tesla stock is predicted to grow about 33% during the next year. This means if you invest $100 now, your current investment may be worth $133. Even though it is extremely volatile, I personally think that you should play the long run with Tesla because it can potentially hit $5,000 to $7,000 per share in the next 5 years. Third stock for today is Microsoft. Microsoft stock price has been showing a rising tendency lately, so I believe that is going to perform very well after the coronavirus crisis. The current price of the stock is about $174 per share, and a lot of analysts predict that it's going to hit the price of $273 per share in the next year, and potentially $847 in the next 5 years. I personally think that Microsoft is a very good investment to any portfolio because in the next years, the industry is only going to grow, and Microsoft is one of the leaders with a nice dividend yield of about 1%. The next stock is Nvidia. Nvidia is an American technology company incorporated in Delaware and based in Santa Clara, California. It designs graphic processing units for the gaming and professional markets, as well as system-on-a-chip units for the mobile computing and automotive markets. Since 2014, Nvidia has diversified its business, focusing on 4 markets: gaming, professional visualization, data centers, and auto. Nvidia is also focused on artificial intelligence. The current price of Nvidia stock is $282, but it's predicted to grow as high as $454 after a year, or a 35% return. This means that if you invest $100 now, your current investment may be worth $135 in 2021. The last but not the least, Apple. I personally love all about Apple. All of my gadgets are made by this brand, and I think that Apple products are essential for a big part of the world, and its popularity will only continue to grow. The current price of Apple stock is $289, and it only continues to grow and could be a good portfolio addition. Future price of the stock is predicted to be $468, or a 30% increase after a year. Let me know in the comments if you own any of these stocks, and please do your own research before buying any stock. Now let's add some stocks to my portfolio. I will top up my investment account with a part of my savings. First, I'm gonna buy Apple stock. Next, I'm gonna add 3 shares of Microsoft. And 1 stock of Nvidia goes to my portfolio. And for the money I have left, I will buy 1 stock of CocaCola. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.